First, welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Qatar Airways airplanes are made.
Check the leading edge alignment here. Looks good to the 5mm mark. Confirming smooth layup on the curve.
The torque on Module 4 looks good.
Confirmed. The clearance on the starboard side is within tolerance as well.
The temperature is rising too fast.
Adjusting the controls now.
Approaching final alignment. Watch the clearance on your side.
Holding steady, looks good.
Confirm secure. Proceed with calibration.
Hold it right there. Just a fraction lower on the starboard side. Squeegee team, start from the center and work your way out slowly.
According to the schematic, we need to split these blues right here.
All right, I'll secure this section while you reroute those.
Does that alignment look correct on your side?
Software initializing. Verify checksum.
Confirmed. Load complete. Your life vest is located under your seat. Pull the toggles sharply to inflate. Ensure the handle is fully retracted before engaging the automatic slide.
Like this? Is the pressure holding?
Perfect. The seal is secure.
The pressure readings are fluctuating more than expected at this flow rate.
I see it. I'm logging the anomaly now.
We have a clean light off on engine 4.
Copy that. Idle parameters are stable. Good run.
Alignment is perfect here. Go ahead and scan it.
Cabin check confirmed. We are cleared for release.
And that's how Qatar Airways airplanes are made. All true Zs, from start to finish.